Okay, my experiment with cats and a remote control car.
Okay, North Korea's put a ban on South Korea. The world is just going down.
Mom, you gotta see this.
Don't move it till I get here.
Could you come and hold this? Like right here? I'm recording. You can adjust, obviously move it around, but I just want to be able to.
Uh-oh, something happened. Look.
Oh, it's just Sarah.
Look at poor David. Oh, he's coming back. Don't go so fast, because David's curious. Get David. Oh, cool. They're not willing to run too far, are they?
Look at David. She looks like a little lion. Grissum does.
What if you tied something to the back?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
You have to be careful what direction you went. You'd have to tie something so it hung off but didn't get caught under the wheels. Where's Grissum go? Oh, there's Miss Krista. Watch out. Oh,
Sorry.
she's not even going to try. Where'd Grissum go?
She's back there.
You got Grissum's attention. I think you need to work on your steering. Grissum. What is it, Griss? Just go backwards and then let it go forward. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. Just go turn it around. Just go turn it around so you can make it go somewhere.
There we go.
Oh, Grissum. It's your toy. Don't make it go too fast. Let her have fun. Look at Buffy over there. Or David, I mean. Don't make it go fast. Make it go real slowly by them. Buff, Grissum.
Look at James.
Who's that? Uffy going up to him? Don't scare her.
Only Buffy's the only one to get close.
We need the camera getting all of them converging on it. Now what you should do is when they're just converging, take it away till tomorrow. Make it sort of... They're not really scared. They're not sure what to think about it.
David's like, I'll pass. He's trying to get away from it and it appears over there.
See, they're curious. They're going to it.
Hey, on. Cat is like, all right, what's the big deal, guys?
They all collectively run away. And somehow I touched the volume. How much time do you have on here? You got 5 minutes worth of recording.